Product research is the key to building a successful Amazon FBA business, and in today's video I'm going to be breaking down 5 products that I either launched, I didn't launch, or I didn't launch and I regret not launching, so stay tuned. What's up, champs? Welcome to today's video. My name is Trevin Peterson. I'm a full-time multiple six-figure Amazon seller, and I'm really excited to be breaking down 5 different products that I either launched and I ended up pulling, products that I wish I would have launched, or products that I'm really glad that I didn't launch. So this video is kind of a different angle, a different perspective, a different look when it comes to product research, kind of how I was looking at these products, what I should have been looking at, some things that I didn't catch or that I did and I'm glad that I did or I didn't. And this is just going to be super valuable for those that are in that product research phase or for those that are looking to launch more products. So make sure to stick around, and before we dive into that video, I want to dive into my seller account, keep you guys updated, and let you know that this is the most up-to-date YouTube channel out. So right now it is 11:48, and as you guys can see, I've done just under $60,000 in the last 30 days, and in the last, well, today I've done over 6,000. So I share that with you just to let you know that I'm in the trenches with you. I'm facing the same problems as you, and I want you guys to learn from my mistakes so that you don't have to make the same stupid mistakes that I've already made. So that's why I have the channel. So make sure to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and make sure to join our free Facebook group. I'll include that in the link down below, but check that out. Get joined. That's where I make big announcements. For example, giveaway winners. I'm going to be announcing a giveaway winner for the sunglass giveaway that I did for my house tour and little things like that. So if you guys want to stay in the loop, make sure to join that Facebook group. I will include that down below. But without further ado, let's dive into the video. Alright, so here we are inside of Amazon, and the first product that I was going to launch but I ended up not launching is a dog umbrella. So the first few things that kind of stand out to me is as I'm scrolling down, there's not really much differentiation. It's like all the same umbrella. This is something that people just go on Alibaba. They're like, oh, I'm going to order this and just make a bunch of money. And they all order the same exact product. And a lot of these pictures are literally the same. They just added some like free gift and they just literally copied and pasted the pictures from Alibaba. So that's kind of a red flag to me. That's kind of a trending product. That's a product that you can't really improve and differentiate. So at that time, I didn't really understand that. I just more so had the gut feeling of, I don't really like this product. I don't think it's going to succeed. And that's a big thing when it comes to selling on Amazon. There's some times where you may be looking at a potential product idea and you just have this gut feeling of, it's probably not the best fit. And I mean, the reality is dog umbrellas, if you're concerned about getting your dog wet, you probably shouldn't just walk your dog. Like, it's not that difficult. I mean, this kind of looks really stupid, and it's meant for small dogs, so I kind of understand that. Small dogs, they kind of baby them, and the reality is pet owners will literally do anything for their dog. So maybe my thought process was wrong, but I'm glad that I didn't launch this product, because if we go to the Chrome extension, the X-Ray Chrome extension, we'll pull up the numbers. You'll see the average reviews is 341, so that's really high. The average revenue is 9,000, but if you scroll through here, the products that are selling like ridiculous amounts, so like this one is selling 30,000. That's not even relatively close. It's a mud buster, like something that's not even relative to the keyword dog umbrella. So there's a lot of different keywords like that. Like this one, 11,000. What is it? It's like some pet bed. That's not really, I guess it could be a dog umbrella. But there's some other ones like this one, 10,000. That is a normal umbrella just with dogs on it. So there's some products that are kind of throwing the numbers off. So the average reviews is probably a little bit lower and the average revenue is going to be a lot lower. But if you look at the actual like dog umbrella products that I was looking at selling, this one, the revenue is $900. This one's $2,700. This one is $1,000. So there's not really anyone that is making more than $2,000 in sales for this dog umbrella product. So I'm glad at the end of the day that I ended up not launching this product because not a lot of people are succeeding. And another thing that's a huge red flag is there's not one. All these products, they have horrible reviews. No one has 5-star reviews. I mean, this one has 3 stars. This one has 3-star. I mean, no one's really happy with the product, and that was kind of my gut feeling. So if you guys kind of have that gut feeling of I don't really want to launch this product, or oh, I don't know, don't launch it. There's other products out there. So that's the first one. The second one is a collapsible straw. I've talked about this in a few of my videos. I made a video literally a year ago, like to the day, about this product, telling people to launch it. I don't know if anyone did, but this was before it aired on Shark Tank. There's a company called Final Straw right here that basically created this product, and they were super slow to market. They didn't go to Amazon. No one even knew they existed until they aired on Shark Tank. They do have a patent. I don't know if it's approved. I don't know what the patent is for. People are still selling them. But if I would have launched when I found this product literally a year ago, I think I could have made quite a bit of money really quick, and it could have lasted like a couple months. And I don't know if there's, like I was saying, I know that this Final Straw, they submitted a patent. I don't know if they got it or not, but that's something that would be my kind of concern and a reason why I'm glad that I didn't launch that, because who knows? I mean, yes, there's a ton of people selling products like this, but just because someone else is selling it doesn't mean that they're eligible to sell it, and that's a big mistake that people think. And they see, oh, they're selling it, so why can't I? And the reality is sometimes they may be ungated, or they may be unrestricted, or maybe they have a deal with the patent owner or something. So don't just assume because other people are selling it. And I'm not saying that what they're doing is against terms of service. I don't know with the patent, but that could be a potential problem. So looking back kind of in retrospect, it could have been a really good product. No one was really selling packs of 2 or 4. They were all selling 1, and they were selling 1 pack, like 1 collapsible straw keychain for 20 bucks. And so the margins were extremely well, and now as you can see, I mean, they're selling for a lot cheaper, a pack of 2 for $16.99, so it's getting a lot more competitive. But like if we pull the Chrome extension, you'll see that it's not super competitive, and the only explanation that I have is because someone has a patent on it and they're shutting down sellers. And so that's probably why the average reviews is so low. The search volume is super high, so I mean, it's in demand. The average reviews is 43. The average revenue is 16,000, and these people are just making an absolute killing selling these collapsible straws. So my only explanation there is people launch, they start selling for like a month, they make good money, then they get shut down, and people just keep doing that over and over and over again, and they get shut down because someone has a patent on it. That could be wrong, that could be right, I don't know, that's just kind of my thought. But looking at this, it didn't air on Shark Tank. I found it doing a product research method that I teach in my course, and I found it, and like I was saying, if I probably would have launched it back a year ago, I probably could have sold 2-3 months of it, and then it aired on Shark Tank, I think it was like in November of 2018, so I could have taken it down as soon as I figured out that someone has a patent on it, and I could have sold it for like 6 months, but it was kind of a trending topic and product, and who knows where it's going to go from now. So that was a product that I was super close. I had orders ready. I just didn't end up paying. So who knows? It could have gone good or it could have gone bad. I don't know. So that's the second product. The third product is a Scratchoff World Map. This is something that everyone talks about. I'm super glad that I didn't launch this product. It got super saturated real quick. And I'm sure you guys know, I mean, there's people that are making really good money, but it got really competitive really quick. People started undercutting prices. It's not as in demand as it was. And so that's something to kind of be careful about. So yeah, the average review seems low. The average revenue is 7,000, but it's a fairly difficult product to get into the market. So I'm glad that I ended up not launching that product. So that's the third one. The fourth one, I ended up actually buying this product and launching it, but then I ended up pulling it because I was kind of scared with a patent. Now, I don't know I didn't hire an attorney. It wasn't really worth it. I didn't order a ton of units. I probably spent $300 on this product. I ordered something similar to this. So it was a faucet extender. It was literally this same exact pack. I didn't do any differentiation. I literally copied the images off of Alibaba, and a lot of these images I used in my listing, but this was like a year and a half ago. I deleted that listing. I got rid of it because I didn't want to infringe on a patent. I wasn't sure about it. I was kind of sketchy about it. I looked at Google patents, and I was just like, better safe than sorry. I'm just going to pull it. It wasn't doing that well anyways, and so who knows? I probably could have hired an attorney, but I mean, there's a lot of people selling it. But again, that doesn't mean that just because they're selling it means that I can. So that's kind of something that I was unsure of. We'll pull the Chrome extension to kind of see the details. The search volume, there's not really any search volume on it, so it's not crazy in demand. The revenue, people aren't really doing all that much, so it's not crazy in demand. So the average revenue is 1,700. Average reviews is 121. So overall, I'm kind of glad that I pulled it and didn't continue that. I kind of took my losses right up front. It was like a couple $100. I didn't order a ton, so it wasn't a super big hit. So that was the fourth product. The fifth product, which I regret every single day, is the Bow Scrunchies. This is something that I found a year ago. Again, I found this along with the Collapsible Straw using my product research techniques that I teach in my course and to my students. And I should have launched a product. I mean, there's still potential. It's a little bit more competitive than it was, but if I would have launched when I found it, I would have done exactly where this product is kind of trending. The things that I was going to do to improve it, to make mine better, are all the best sellers right now, and they don't have tons of reviews. So if we pull the Chrome extension, we'll kind of break down the numbers and kind of show you what they're doing. The search volume is 4,500. The revenue, you'll see that people are doing pretty dang good. The average revenue is $4,000. Average review is 50. Average price is $11.15. So overall, this isn't a crazy competitive niche. But if I would have launched a year ago, I would have way more than 50 reviews. I would have that rank built up, and I'd be ranked for multiple keywords and be doing close to, my prediction would be $15,000 to $25,000 easy. So I wish I would have launched this product. I don't know why I didn't. I guess the only reason that I didn't is it didn't really line up with my brand, and this would have been like a third brand, kind of separate from the brands that I already am growing. So it didn't kind of make sense there, and so that was kind of my excuse why I didn't launch this. But looking back, I should have, and just started kind of a scrunchie brand or girls accessories brand. So that's a product that I wish I would have launched. If for those that want to try and launch, I'm sure you can succeed. Just come to market with something unique, different designs, better quality. I mean, read the reviews, see what you can do to really come to market with something better than everyone else. So those are kind of the 5 products that I didn't launch, I did launch, and I wish I would have launched. Kind of my thought process between the products, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions when it comes to product research, and again, if you do have more questions about it, I have everything in depth in my full A to Z Amazon Champion course, and along with that course, it comes with my product verification. So when you do have a question about a product or an idea, I take my own time to actually go in and verify it and check whether or not it's viable, and I give you guys my honest opinion about it. So that's super valuable. That in itself is worth thousands of dollars, and I don't charge anywhere near that. I charge $397 for the package. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and click the link down below. I'll put that in the first spot. You can click that, check that out. And if not, go check out the rest of my videos on the channel. I have tons of videos talking about product research. This is by far the most important thing when it comes to selling on Amazon. If you don't launch a good product, then I don't care how much money you spend on PPC campaigns and advertising and product pictures, it's going to be very difficult to rank and succeed with Amazon. So you need to make sure you understand the steps and I have that all laid out for you within the channel and even in more depth in the course. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and I just want to say thank you guys for following along and supporting me. Go join the Facebook group as well. There's tons of like-minded sellers there, and I just want to say thanks again, and we will see you in the next video.